Kolombo technically is a South Indian curry which has lentils and tamarind. But today's recipe is very different. The name you may ask, Poricha Kuzhambu. Let's begin. Well, Poricha Kuzhambu technically is from the south of India. It can span into Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Sri Lanka. It's a sour gravy which is soured usually by using tamarind. But today's Kuzhambu is very different. Poricha 1 means frying or roasting, but this recipe does not have any poricha, literally doesn't have any frying element. Kuzhambu again technically has a souring agent, it has lentils and vegetables, but this one has no lentils, no tamarind. Very different, very home style, actually village style. Let's begin Poricha Kuzhambu. Let's heat the pan and begin with peanut oil. Very specifically, peanut oil. Mustard seeds. Once these crackle and temper, we'll add in chopped red onions. Once the onions are lightly sauteed, time to add in a tomato, roughly cut. Along with this, the vegetables of the day, drumsticks, potato wedges which are reserved in water to take care of the oxidation, and along with this, aubergine. Well, this is my choice of the day for the vegetables. You can go all out and use the vegetables of your choice. A quick mix and time to add in the Sambhar Masala and salt. This can be homemade or proprietary. The choice is completely yours. And finally, salt as required. Let's add in a cup full of water. And while this is cooking, let's quickly add in chopped coriander leaves. Stir this well, and this would take at least 10 to 12 minutes to now cook on medium flame. Allow that to happen. Once the vegetables are cooked and ready, we lower the flame, and the next step is to add in a wet spice paste. Now the spice paste is very simple. It's got raw onions, it's got fresh coconut, and primarily fennel seeds. Now on days when you're looking at a no-hassle, quick home-style meal and you're actually not wanting to eat something like lentils, dal, sambars and things like that, this is literally cooked in a jiffy. The tomatoes add in the sourness and the Sambhar Masala gives in that required kick, the warmth and the earthiness to this recipe. The next step, making the paste. Let's add in raw onions, freshly grated coconut and untoasted fennel seeds and grind this into a fine paste. Let's add this into the Kuzhambu. This brings in the required creaminess and thickness into this recipe. Let's mix this, cook this on medium flame for precisely a minute. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, of course, the flame. Simple, rustic, home style. With this, a Poricha Kuzhambu is done and ready. And trust me, this is the fastest, the quickest, and the most comfortable way in which you can tour a South Indian home. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. And trust me, this goes amazingly well with steamed rice. Before I forget, and for more such quick, simple, easy, and stunning home-style recipes, follow Get Curried. Bye for now.